This shock absorber on the right side here came off the front, and the one on the left came off the back. And it occurred to me that possible the front one is not working quite as well as the rear one. Yeah, it'll just stay like that. So I'm changing out my shock absorbers, and I get the shock off of this side. And man, I tell you what, when I first came up to this thing, that thing looked like it was a part of the assembly. And I had to get these channel locks on it and just kind of walk it around. But I also had to put pressure that way as I walked it, because it didn't want to just come off. Like, I had to really put some energy coercion into the. So anyway, got it off. Clean this thing up a little bit. Maybe put a little light sandpaper on there. Clean it up. Clean these threads a little bit. Put oil on them. Whatever. Ready to go. Every time I pull screws, bolts, nuts, washers, etc., and put them back on, I always take them to the wire wheel and try to clean them up a bit. Alright, here we are on our maiden voyage after installing new shock absorbers. I expect there to be a very noticeable difference. And my beautiful bride has decided to travel with me for this occasion. A very special moment for everyone. Now, it's possible that we're not even really experiencing the difference yet fully, but I think I definitely already can tell a difference, and I think it'll be a little bit more noticeable when we get out onto the main street here. What do you think so far?
No, I didn't pay close attention before. I think I noticed.
I think more than anything, you definitely should notice less sort of, just bumpiness. It's still going to bump, but it's going to be more, smoother. Right? That's what it's for. But in addition to that, I think you're going to notice less noise in the front end. Definitely seems like a lot less noise. Yeah, that front end was noisy as heck before, and yeah, there's no question to me. That's a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Get up to speed, moving around. Yeah, I notice it. That's cool. All right. Not surprisingly, new shocks do make a difference. So we are getting ready to head into the street where you get to test your car's ability to deal with bumps. Very bumpy throughout here. That's okay, a lot of it's going to get removed. And there that we can do something about, but the shock absorbers definitely seem to be doing their job. It would be so much worse. I guess I don't really have a before video to compare it to, but after this light here, we'll kind of get the rhythmic bumps. When I'm driving my Subaru, I always enjoy this part. Not everyone always does, but I do. So you just kind of rocking back and forth a lot in here. So yeah, definitely night and day difference, no question.